How to remove Google account from Google Photos. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this tutorial. To remove your Google account from your Google Photos, tap on your Play Store first and foremost. Search for your Google Photos and make sure that it is up to date. Then just tap on Open. Since our Google account is connected with our Google Photos, we need to remove it. In order to do so, you can head back from your Google Photos. Once you have exited, go ahead and open up your phone setting. Scroll down, select the option of Account. Now in here, you'll find all of your Google account that is added in your device. Select the account that you want to remove from your Google Photos. Just select on Remove Account, and just like that, this account will be removed from your Google Photos. Now, if you face any of the difficulty regarding this process, you need to check for your system update. Navigate for the option of System Update and make sure to update your system. Next step is to check for an update. For that, open up your Play Store. Then, if there is an update, just leave it for an update. If not, uninstall your app and reinstall it later. In your Google Photos, you have an additional option of using your Google Photos without an account. You can explore the option as well. And that's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.